Hey guys, it's Gianna. So today I'm going to be doing a video showing you guys how I edit videos to make them look vintagey and retro, and I do this all on my phone, and most of the ways I'm about to show you are free and they're so simple, and I just thought that I would make this quick little video because a bunch of people have asked me how I do this, so I hope you guys enjoy.
I love coffee, I love tea, I love the jive and it loves me.
So first off, I'm going to show you guys how I edit those VHS 80s style videos, and those videos just have the little VHS effect on them and they have the date and it looks super cute and makes everything look so vintage. And basically there are a bunch of different apps that you can use for this, but I'm going to be showing you guys two of my favorite apps that I use, so let's get into it.
Wish I could quit you, get your name across my chest.
So the first app I use is called Camcorder, and this is free on the App Store, which is so nice. And what I love about it is that you can import your own video, so you do not need to record solely on the app. And you can also add the date to your videos, which is so cute. And it really just makes your videos look like they were taken on this really old camcorder in the 80s, which is so cute, and I honestly love that vibe.
I'm in the mood tonight, expecting it to come this time.
But another app that I use is called VHS Cam, and this one does not let you import your own videos, but I actually do like the effect that it gives better. But that's the only downside to it. You can still add the date, and I actually like the format of this app better. I think it looks more real, if that makes sense. But yeah, these are two really great apps that are free and make your videos look so cute.
Then in the morning, I'll be here.
This next app I'm about to talk about is unfortunately not free, but it is only $2, which is honestly an amazing price for this app because the quality is amazing. But it is called 8mm Vintage Camera, and I've seen a bunch of people use this app, and I did not know what it was until one day I found out and knew that I needed to have it because it's so cute. It adds the cutest filters to your videos. There are a bunch of different options and you can choose between different lenses, and it's so easy to use, and when you're done with editing your video you can just put it in the app and you can make your video look 10 times better than how it looked originally because the filters just make everything look so cute. And that's what I used to edit my last video, my summer lookbook. So if you guys haven't seen it and you want to know how this app looks on your videos, and you should definitely go check that out. So the last app that I'm going to be talking about is called Video Leap, and when I downloaded this app I wasn't expecting much, honestly, but I actually fell in love with it. And this isn't only good for making your videos look vintage, it's good for just editing videos in general. It has a bunch of different cool effects and styles and filters, and it's really cool. And you can mix videos, you can import a bunch of videos, you can use transitions, but I really like using the effects, and I think it's a great app and it's really good for editing and for making your videos look vintage and just editing in general because it's so great, and I definitely recommend this app. I love it a lot. Alrighty, so that really concludes this video. I hope that this was helpful to you guys in any way, and I hope you guys can go download some of these apps, and I hope that they work for you and you like them as much as I do because I use them all the time and I just really love them. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Coffee and tea and the java and me, a cup.